study of pollutants in air. Materials required: twine thread, a few freshly cut broadleaves, petroleum jelly, polythene bag, and a weighing balance. Procedure: take 8 to 10 feet long piece of twine thread. Take 5 leaves and tie them on the thread, leaving a foot distance in between. Make 3 such long threads tied with leaves. Take some petroleum jelly and apply an extremely thin layer of petroleum jelly on the surface of each leaf. Make a bundle of these leaves and pack them in polythene bags. Make 3 such bundles of smeared leaves and mark them as A, B, and C. Carefully weigh each bundle of leaves along with the polythene bags and record values in the table. Select 3 different spots in a manner that one has heavily vehicular traffic, one has moderate traffic, and one has no vehicular traffic. At spot heavy vehicular traffic, expose each leaf of bundle A by stretching the attached thread and tie the 2 ends to 2 poles at 10 feet height above ground. Similarly, expose leaf bundle B at moderate traffic and leaf bundle C at no vehicular traffic. Keep the leaves exposed for about 2 hours. After exposure, collect the leaves from the spot and carefully rebundle exposed leaves and place them along with the string in the corresponding polythene covers. At the end of the experiment, return to the laboratory. Reweigh each bundle of exposed leaves along with their respective polythene covers and record the values in the table. The weight of suspended particles can be calculated by the difference between the weight of leaves after exposure and the weight of leaves before exposure. Observations: the atmosphere in highly populated area is very rich in dust, smoke, and suspended particulate matter, all due to vehicular exhausts and industrial emission. From the table, we can see that the weight of suspended particles in heavy vehicular traffic spot and moderate traffic is greater when compared to the no vehicular spot.